Welcome to Hastings College's tutorial on how to create and submit a portfolio. In this video, you will receive tips on how to choose, prepare, and photograph artwork for your portfolio, as well as how to submit your portfolio and application. Our program requires a portfolio comprised of 6 works of art. The works of art can be 2D, 3D, digital media, and/or mixed media, including drawing, collage, painting, ceramics, sculpture, photography, and computer-generated or digital media. It is important to note that the works of art do not need to be brand new or created especially for this program. Your artworks can be selected from art courses you have taken in high school, works that were submitted to the Scholastic Art Awards, or through community art programs or studios, as well as independent creations from your home. Preparation to photograph artwork for your portfolio is easy and will require the following things: a table to place artwork on, a piece of large white paper or even a white bed sheet, a space with some good lighting, and you'll need a smartphone or digital camera. Once you have collected these items, arrange and organize the space accordingly. Make sure you take photos that best represent each work of art. For example, make sure you stand close enough to the artwork to capture the details in the work of art without making the image blurry. Also, if you are photographing 3D objects, do not use flash, as that could produce a glare. The image resolution should be at least 300 dpi. Once you have edited the photographs, you are ready to upload the images into your portfolio, and this can be done in a couple of ways. 1. You can upload the images individually onto the site. To do this, please make sure your digital images are labeled using the following format. The second option is you can insert your digital images into a single document, like a Microsoft Word or Google Doc, and then you convert the document into a PDF. In this case, I'm using Google Docs. I've opened up a Google Doc form, and I go to the Format tab, and then I hit Columns. It's easier to align your images together succinctly by putting them in columns. Make sure you number the works of art, because you're going to add that to the image list. To insert an image into the document, go to the Insert tab, then the image, then Upload from your computer. Find your image and click Open. You're going to play around a little bit to resize the image and make sure that it fits the space accordingly. Make sure you number the image so we know which piece it is. Then you're going to work on the image list. The image list has the artist's name, the title of each artwork and numbered, the medium, the date, and the size. When you are done, you should have a form that has the 6 images, all numbered, and then a corresponding image list with the information for each work of art. Make sure your name, the title of the artwork, the medium, the date, and the size are accurate and correspond with the images that you have inserted into the document. The next step is to save the document as a PDF. But first you're going to title it. Title it with your last name, portfolio, and the date. After you've done that, you're going to go and save by exporting the file and downloading it as a PDF document. Once you've done this, you should see the PDF saved in the corner of your screen, the bottom left. Now your PDF should be saved on your desktop, and you can extract it to submit to the portfolio and the application form online. Now that you've converted your document into a PDF, go back and check to make sure that it's saved properly on your desktop. Locate the PDF and open it up, and check to make sure that all the images are on there correctly, that they are spaced appropriately, and that they are numbered. Check the image list to make sure that all the identifying information is posted and saved. Once you've checked your PDF and you are happy with the results, you are ready to now upload it online to the